Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wow, talking about what foreign language you want to learn and why give you reason. Alright, talking about language or foreign language, I myself totally very like to learn English because every single universe in this earth, in this continent, 5 continents across the world, they're not thinking about because this era, this globalization, English is totally very important. Because why? United Nations use English. Every continent, every country, every city across the world, it is English. And then I myself push and then help every single one, every single body who want to learn English, just help. You know what? Even though English is totally important, when my friend suggests me